I'm going to tell you 8 things about your own body that sound completely made up. Every single one is real, and by the end, at least one is going to make you say, no, that can't be true. Here's the deal. Keep score. For every fact you flat out refuse to believe, that's a point. Comment your number at the end. And number 8 broke my brain. I checked it 3 times because I didn't believe it either. Let's go. Fact 1. You're taller in the morning than at night. Measure yourself when you wake up, then again before bed. You'll have shrunk by up to a centimeter, sometimes more. It sounds fake. It's gravity. All day, standing and sitting, your weight quietly compresses the soft discs between the bones of your spine, squeezing fluid out of them. By night, you're measurably shorter. Then you lie down to sleep. The pressure comes off. The discs drink the fluid back in, and you wake up tall again. You are a slightly different height right now than you were this morning. Point if you didn't believe it, because the next one's worse. Fact 2. Your stomach gets a brand new lining every few days. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal. So strong it would happily digest your own stomach. The only thing stopping it is a thin layer of mucus, and that acid slowly eats through that too. So your body just rebuilds the entire lining of your stomach from scratch every few days to stay ahead of the damage. You are, right now, standing on a stomach lining you didn't have last week. Your body is quietly replacing the walls of the room while you're still living in it. Fake sounding, completely real. And speaking of replacing parts, fact 3, most of you isn't even human. By cell count, the bacteria and microbes living in and on your body rival the number of your own human cells. There are more individual living organisms inside you right now than there are stars you can see with your naked eye on a clear night. So when you say I, you're technically speaking for a crowd. You are a walking colony, trillions of tiny passengers, plus the surprisingly small percentage that's actually human. You have never once in your life been a single organism. You've always been an us. Point if that one got you. The next fact is about something you do every few seconds without noticing. Fact 4. You go blind constantly, and your brain hides it from you. Every time your eyes dart from one spot to another, your vision actually switches off for a fraction of a second. Otherwise, the world would smear into motion blur every time you looked around a room. So your brain quietly deletes those blind gaps and stitches the footage back together so smoothly you'd swear your vision was continuous. Try this. Look in a mirror and flick your eyes from one of your own eyes to the other. You will never catch them moving. Never. Your brain edits out that moment every single time without asking. You cannot see yourself look. That should be impossible, and you can test it in the next 10 seconds. So that's 4, and if you've been keeping score, halfway through, the back half gets stranger. Number 5. Fact 5. Your body glows in the dark. This is completely real. Human beings emit a faint light, an actual glow produced by the chemical reactions happening inside your own cells. You are, at this exact moment, very faintly luminous. The only reason you've never seen it is that it's roughly 1,000 times too dim for the human eye to pick up. Special ultra-sensitive cameras have photographed it, and the glow even rises and falls with your body's daily rhythm. So in complete darkness, you are still glowing, softly, constantly, and you'll go your whole life never able to see your own light. Sounds fake, it isn't. Point if you doubted it. Fact 6. You have enough blood vessels to wrap around the earth, more than twice. Take every blood vessel in a single human body, the big ones you could point to and the microscopic ones you'd need a microscope to see, and lay them all end to end. They'd stretch tens of thousands of miles, enough to circle the entire planet 2 times over with length to spare. All of that coiled up, folded into one person, into you. There is a network in your body long enough to lap the Earth, packed into a space the size of, well, you. Fake sounding, completely real. Fact 7. Your body grew teeth it has no room for. Look at your back teeth, or the gap where they were pulled. Wisdom teeth are leftover molars from ancestors with bigger jaws and a tougher diet. Your modern skull has shrunk since then, and it's simply too small for them now. But your body doesn't know that. It tries to grow those extra teeth anyway, and because there's nowhere for them to go, they come in sideways, crooked, jammed against everything else. Think about how strange that is. Your own body is still running outdated instructions, installing hardware it was redesigned to no longer have space for. It's a glitch you can feel with your own tongue. So that's 7, and now the one I promised, the one I checked 3 times. Number 8. Fact 8. The iron in your blood is older than the sun, and it was forged inside an exploding star. Stay with me, because this sounds insane and it's true. Your blood is red because of iron. Here's the part most people don't know. A normal star, burning quietly like our sun, cannot make iron. The only place in the entire universe where iron gets forged is inside the core of a massive dying star. And the only way it ever escapes is when that star explodes, scattering itself across space. Which means every atom of iron in your blood, the exact iron carrying oxygen through your body at this second, keeping you alive right now, was forged inside a star that exploded billions of years ago, long before the sun, long before Earth even existed. That stardust drifted through space for billions of years, eventually helped form our planet, and somewhere along the way, ended up inside you. So you are not just standing on the Earth. You are made of the wreckage of dead stars. The thing keeping you alive right now is older than the sun itself. That's not poetry, that's chemistry, and it's 100% real. Here's what I love about all of this. You don't need to look up at the universe to find something unbelievable. You're standing on it. Your own body, the thing you've ignored your whole life, is stranger, older, and more impossible than almost anything out there. So that's all 8. What was your score? How many did you refuse to believe? Drop the number in the comments. And if you want more of these, the hidden, strange, and genuinely unbelievable things about your own body and mind, that's the whole channel. I break one down every week. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.